This is another New Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper. What's happening, family? Grand Rising. I want to talk about an up-and-coming lecture about Minister Louis Farrakhan's up-and-coming lecture, right? And it is entitled The Five Jesuses. Is he telling us that there's five different Jesuses? Or is he telling us that there's five different attributes of one Jesus, or five different characteristics of one Jesus? Or is there something else here hidden right in plain sight? Well, I think Minister Louis Farrakhan's speech will be scheduled for the 15th of this month or the 15th of next month. But I'm going to break it down, right, before he even give the speech, right? What is it about this statement, the five Jesuses? And what does it have to do with WD, the initials that Farad gave when he first came signing his name, but then he changed it to WF? What's going on here? Is this a crazy man talking about five different Jesuses, or is there something really here?